Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm gonna be removing the sod from my location here. I ended up putting this down about a year and a half ago. So now I have to pick it up and I'm gonna see if I can transplant some of that stuff in different areas of my yard. So instead of doing that with a shovel, rental store, Home Depot, all right, end up picking up a sod cutter. All right, now, just another FYI, these things are heavy, all right? So if you're gonna pick one up, make sure you have a minivan or a pickup truck, and you're gonna need some ramps. Luckily, Home Depot do supply them, but you're gonna have to rent them at a cost. So let's get into the video. Guys, enjoy. Periodically, I'm gonna stop, tell you what's going on with my process, and thank you for joining me. Let's get to it. All right, what I want to do now, I want to show you how to use this machine, okay? So first I'm going to show you, come around here. All right, this part right here, this is your on button, right here. So you got to turn it on, all right? The gas and your choke is right here. So you got to make sure these two are brought in, right here, all right? Once those in, all you have to do is pull it, all right? So I'm going to pull it now. When I pull it, it's going to turn, it'll turn over. Now, once it's on, they tell you what you have to is, all right, let me just point it out. Here is a gauge, this right here, how deep you want the blade to go. Right, mine's set at 2 inches, and I think that's perfect. So, for what I have, so if it's set to 2 inches, try that. I think that'll be perfect for you guys to cut your side. Now, once you got that figured out, this is what raises your blade up and down. So you have to turn this around here. It unloosens. Yeah, this thing adjusts your blade up and down, as you can see in the bottom. Right here, the blade is going up and down. So that's your level for your blade. So they tell you when you start to set up, you have to tilt it up and engage your blade, bring it down. In my case, I'm gonna bring it down 2 inches. Once it's down, then you're gonna have to lock it in. Make sure this is locked, all right? But it will go back up. All right? Locked in. So once it's locked, then you're gonna have to come over, and this is when the engine is already running, all right? I don't have the engine running right now, but when the engine's running, you drop your blade, and here, the green one is to engage your blade. It turns on and off, and on this machine it says it. Off and on. All right, I'll take pictures of it. And this one here engages your wheel to make it turn. All right, so and that's pretty much it, guys. Here is your throttle to give it gas. So I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna turn it on, go through the setup, and let you guys see exactly how it works. All right, step back. All right, so let me take this off. Up already, all right? So I'll go around, I'm gonna turn the machine on, gauge my gas and throttle, pull it, comes on. All right? Now you lift up the machine, lift up the machine, all right, lift it up, turn the gauge here, and drop the blade. Drop it, you gotta lock it in. Once it's locked, you're pretty much ready to go. You can do the green back, you can engage the blade cutter, and then you engage the wheel. And all you have to do is just some gas. Okay guys, as you can see, I got the machine, was able to get up all the side nice and clean. All right, but and I'm doing this, and just to let you guys know, because we all been doing it, we've been looking at YouTube videos on how we could build a deck, how we can do this, how we can do that, and it all looks fine and dandy and beautiful, and you say, I can do that. No, that's no problem. We can. Dude, let me tell you something. This is the ugly truth. All right. Yes, as a DIY, I can do it. But what they don't tell you on these videos that it is labor intensive. It is backbreaking. All right. So if you're not up to do putting in the work, sweating, getting hot, breaking your back, get you a contractor. Let them do it. Pay them for it. But if you are going to take on this task, be warned, this is hard work. Yes, this machine works great, helps me get up the side, it would have went much faster than doing it with a shovel, but this machine is heavy. All right, it does work, so that's a plus. So you got your plus and you got your minus. Number two, what they don't tell you, once you do this, you got to get rid of all this damn side. All right, what are you gonna do with it? You got someplace else you can put in the yard? Great. But most of the time, the area that you're doing, you're not going to be using all that sod. So what I did, I just put it on let it go. I'm going to put it out on the curve, free side. Hopefully we can get rid of it. But think about it. You got to get rid of this stuff. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to use a couple of sheets, some bare spots. Other than that, I have no use for this side now. So I got to get rid of it. So that's it. All right, guys, check it out. As you know, I finally got this done here. Now the object is now to get rid of the side. So I ended up putting on let it go. And right now I got this couple of gentlemen over here picking up their side, just trying to get rid of it. All right. So I told them I have a little YouTube channel that I'll be posting this. So you guys, again, it's definitely durable, but it's back-breaking. All right, and what they don't tell you when you do this, what the hell are you gonna do with the rest of all your grass? All right, so it looks easy, but it's not. All right, so guys, hit me on the comments what you think. It's something that you consider doing. All right, and if you did do it, how did you get rid of yours? You know, so it's just an extra cost you have to do, but if you can give it away, it's one less thing you have to worry about. All right, just want to give an update here. As you can see, I have a few more pieces of sod I'm trying to get rid of right there. So again, able to clear the area that I need to do. The biggest thing now is just getting rid of this sod without cost, and that's pretty much, I'm putting it on let it go. I'm doing it on Facebook Marketplace, free sod, getting a lot of people inquiring, trying to make them come out now, pick it up so it doesn't delay me in my construction. So that's what we're doing. I got another group. I already gave out a few pieces already. A group of people to show up later on this evening to pick up the rest. Hopefully all of this can be gone by tonight. So that piece and the one that's in the front, and this piece right here that's on the pallet. And I'm glad I kept this pallet. It's been sitting in the backyard for the longest. So hopefully the people are showing up this in a few more minutes. Hopefully they can take all this out of here. All right, guys, as you see, I got the last remaining stuff getting out of here. All right, put it on let it go, and people looking out for a side can come pick it up. So that's an easy way to get rid of your stuff. All right, so I think they're gonna take pretty much the rest of it. So it's gonna, I don't have to have the headache of getting it towed away or getting rid of it on my own. So I think I had two people show up immediately, and it's gonna be pretty much all gone, and which saves me again a lot of headaches. So think of that. Think how you're gonna get rid of that sod. If you can work with, put it on let it go, you know. So my wife would say, why didn't I sell it? But again,
the headache of trying to sell it was not even worth it. So just getting rid of it is just worth a lot more than trying to make a couple of dollars on it. All right, and that's it, guys. All right, so that's an idea. I hope it works for you guys. All right, stand for part 2 of my construction of my floating deck here, and the gazebo's coming later after that. But right now, preparing this is more is the, I guess you can call the priority now. Getting this all cleared out. The next thing, leveling it, getting the base, and what have you. So, all right, guys. All right.